Ah, that's so annoying. I just broke my dishwasher. No. This cup is so little, look at it. Good morning, good morning. I thought I would film another what I eat in a day. You guys seem to love seeing what I eat in a day, even though, again, I argue it's nothing too exciting. But here we are. Yeah, today, I'm not gonna lie, we're not stocked up on food. Currently, we're also kind of in a quarantine here in Ontario. I'm sure you guys have all heard of what's going on in the world. Not to make light of the situation at all, but I literally did not really stock up on food properly. Not that you should be stockpiling food because panic buying leaves those who are vulnerable without it. I'm just saying, do not stockpile food and hoard it, guys. Not the move. And I need to do a grocery run. That's what I'm trying to say. So today will definitely be one of those very typical Jaclyn days where I am just throwing together dishes and hoping for a proper meal and hoping it tastes good. But really, isn't that what we're all doing for the most part? Okay, so I'm just gonna sit here and drink my iced coffee and catch up on the news and, you know, be an informed person in society. At least try to be. And then I'm gonna make some breakfast, so I will show you guys what I'm eating. My last piece of fruit in the house. Oatmeal never does me wrong, and I'm kind of back in my oatmeal phase, so we're making oatmeal. So I just put a ton of water in this. I always put way more than I think I'm gonna need because I'm gonna add protein powder to it after. So I actually, you know, I might even need a bit more. Like we've got a pond going on in here, but that's the way you wanna do it. So I'm gonna be putting in a whole apple. Okay, so the oatmeal's out of the microwave. I'm gonna put in some protein powder. Now I always change up whatever protein powder that I'm using, kind of depending on the fruits or the toppings that I'm gonna do. So I've got a vanilla protein powder here from Care Of. Now normally I would put like a half a scoop in there, but this scoop in particular is really small, so I'm probably just gonna do one scoop like that. Then I'm just gonna mix that in. And I always put my protein powder after it comes out of the microwave. I mean, I guess you could do it before, but does that kill some of the properties in there? I don't really know. I always put it in after. Okay, whoa, apples are flying around. All the apples are gonna go in, and I'm also gonna take some cinnamon and generously apply, and then I'm just gonna mix this all in. Then the final topping on the oatmeal is gonna be some pecans. So this is my very quick, lazy guide to oatmeal that literally did not take more than 3 minutes. And I'm always such a sucker for like the apple cinnamon combo, like an apple crumble inspired oatmeal, just, I'm a happy gal. I'm curious, what are your favorite like go-to oatmeal recipes? I feel like I always kind of do the same things. I have like 4 that I cycle through. But let me know what your favorites are, because I'll spice up my oatmeal game next time. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't showered. I'm still in my PJs from this morning. I'm social distancing, so I'm like, what's the point of showering? I can stay in my PJs all day. I was just editing on the computer. I don't know why I'm making excuses. Just let me live. It's 1 o'clock and this is where I'm at. Anyways, I'm gonna make a little bit of lunch. I'm just de-thawing. No, I am thawing my bread. Thawing or defrosting. I always say de-thaw, and that is not proper English. I pulled out some bread from the freezer. I'm just letting that thaw over there. I'm gonna make some grilled cheese. It just feels like a grilled cheese kind of day. Vegan cheese, that is. I will go on record and say that the best vegan cheese is Follow Your Heart cheese, which is very deliciously packed up in tin foil right now. So this brand is called Earth Island here in Canada, but I'm pretty sure everywhere else in the States it's called Follow Your Heart. Either way, it's the exact same brand. They make so many different types of cheese. Their smoked Gouda is so good. Their mozzarella, the cheddar is delicious. I truly live for it. This is a really nice vegan cheese because you can eat it when it's cold and like just like with crackers or something, or you can melt it. Whereas with cheeses like the Daiya cheese, it only tastes good if it's melted. You can't eat that stuff cold straight out of the fridge because it tastes just not good. Whereas this one, it gives you options. I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to make grilled cheese. This isn't rocket science, but everyone does always have their own technique, you know? I personally just butter the bread and then put it in the pan. I know some people put butter in the pan. That's not my move. You definitely want a generous coat of butter. Not the best for you, but tastes good, so. So I've got like 1 1/4 pieces of the cheese here. I'm gonna try to make sure we get that on everything. The top goes on, and voila. Oh, baby. Now I'm gonna pull out the ketchup, get it ready. If you don't like ketchup on your grilled cheese, then I genuinely just like cannot trust you as a human. Ketchup is the most juvenile food, but it is delicious, let's just admit it. You always gotta do a triangle cut. Perfect. There's just something about grilled cheese. It makes me feel like a 10-year-old and I love it. It just really always delivers, you know? Oh yeah. Like, I'm sorry, look at that goodness. So good. It's always so funny, growing up, my brother was always such a Katie person. Is Katie Canadian? Kraft dinner? Like macaroni and cheese. And I was always such a grilled cheese kind of gal. So whenever my mom would make us like a quick and easy like lunch as kids, he would always get Katie and I would always be grilled cheese. And still to this day, I always remain team grilled cheese. I mean, you guys know bread is my favorite food, so obviously. I also really take pride in my ketchup ratio. Like, look at that. This is gonna be the perfect amount. No ketchup left over. It's the little things in life, guys. Wow, that was so good. I haven't had a grilled cheese in a hot minute. Whoa. Okay, so I also grabbed some of this from the fridge. This is actually like a kale salad slash I threw whatever vegetables I had in my house together so that way they didn't go bad. I made this last night, so I figure I'll eat some vegetables as well because I'm not just gonna eat bread. Although, you know, there's no shame in the game. Now, these are actually really cool. I got these off of Amazon. These are reusable, like, lids and containers. So normally I would use like plastic saran wrap, which, you know, that's disposable and a one-time use, so not ideal. So I've been using these reusable ones and they actually work really good. So just a little FYI if anyone's trying to shop more sustainably. These are great. I'll link those down below actually. So yeah, this is a massive salad. I mean, probably not gonna eat all of this right now. I'm probably gonna have like half of it or a quarter of it. It's just kale inside. There's shredded carrot, sunflower seeds, tomato. I think that's it. It's like honestly kind of random. I just put like an apple cider vinaigrette dressing on it and some lime and just some like seasoning on top. But it's always good to get a little bit of veggie. Okay, looks like I've made zero dent in this salad at all, but I'm kind of getting full of that. So I'm gonna put that back like there and pop that back in the fridge. I honestly don't really know what to do during this very strange time of life. I've literally just been watching YouTube videos on the couch. I pretty much have all my work done for the day, so I'm just gonna chill out. I've got this Go Macro bar here. This is the double chocolate peanut butter chip one, and these are actually really good. I've been having these lately. They're so delicious and like a really good bar to kind of throw in your bag on the go. So I'm just gonna eat one of these guys and literally just watch YouTube videos. A very exciting day for me. Okay, wow, a lot of good things have happened since I last talked to you guys on camera. So number one, did an at-home workout, showered, got into a new pair of cozy clothes. Two, it was actually really sweet. I was telling you guys this morning that I'm kind of running low on groceries, and actually here in Toronto, a lot of the grocery stores are truly out of stock because people are panic buying and stocking up, which is really not ideal. So I was just genuinely low on groceries, so I was like, oh, I kind of need a few essentials, and literally none of my local grocery stores had anything. So that was a little frightening. Anyways, my dad was super sweet. He was in Hamilton and he's like, do you want me to go by a grocery store out there and see if there's anything? So I sent him my grocery list and he was super sweet and picked up some groceries for me, which was so, so lovely. So huge shout out to Danny. You're my boy. Yeah, so now I have a fridge full of groceries, which is awesome. And yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a pasta tonight. After that workout, I was like, I just need another carb moment. You guys know I love me my carbs, and I'll never say no to a pasta. Look at this loaded fridge. So yeah, first I was thinking I was just gonna do a Beyond Meat patty and then do some homemade French fries and some veggies. But I'm kind of in the mood for pasta, and I think I'm gonna kind of crumble up a patty and use it kind of like a ground beef in the marinara sauce. And then I think I had some open mushrooms up here. So I think it'll be really nice if I cut up some mushrooms and mix that in with the burger. Maybe I have some onion and, ooh, maybe a little pepper. So for the actual pasta, I'm just gonna put on some rotini. And then this is what my dad picked me up from the store. I've never tried this brand before, but looks pretty solid, just like a classic tomato sauce. Okay, so first I'm just gonna cook some red pepper, some sweet onion, and then some mushrooms. And then I'm gonna cook them in the marinara sauce, and then at the end, add the Beyond Meat in. So on the veggies, I'm just gonna put some salt, pepper, gonna take some garlic powder. I'm also gonna add in some Italian seasoning. Okay, everything is looking pretty good. I think it is time to add in the Beyond Meat patties. So I think I'm just gonna take my hands and just crumble them into the pan. Okay, so as that finishes up, I'm just gonna put the marinara sauce on the noodles. And then for the final touch, I'm gonna do some nutritional yeast because if you're vegan, you know, this is the stuff. I kind of use this in replacement of like a Parmesan cheese. I mean, it's obviously not the same thing, but kind of gives you that flavor. Plus, it's also really high in B12, which is awesome. Amazing. Wow, what a day this has been. I feel like we're in that time of year now where the sunsets are getting so beautiful. There's like this amazing pinky orange sunset. Too blessed, baby. Okay, I am ready to dive into this delicious, massive bowl of pasta. The Beyond Meat actually, oh, it's a little dark in here. I don't know if this lighting made it better or worse. The Beyond Meat worked really good as a crumble. Smells good, I think it's gonna taste good. Let's see. I feel like the proper way to do social distancing is just spend all of the hours that you would have spent socializing, FaceTiming people. So my screen time has gone so far up. It is absolutely ridiculous. I've just been on my phone all day because I've been talking to people, streaming things, watching things. So this is now my lovely dinner date via FaceTime, if they pick up. Hello. Oh, hello, hey.
You look cute.
Thanks, Boo. Just look at this pasta.
Oh, very good.
Thanks to Danny. Yo, that pasta.
It was awesome. Look at you cleaned it.
Also, can you guys see the sunset right now? It looks so pretty. Now I'm gonna confess, I'm eating some banana bread. I made some homemade, delicious vegan banana bread, which I actually am thinking I might do a whole video on the recipe. This is my dad's recipe, and it is so easy, but so good, and I could eat this every day. I really could. It just smells so good. There's like amazing chocolate chips in there, and it's so moist and just all of the amazing things. Now, I will confess, I'm currently doing a banana oatmeal face mask, and I'm eating banana bread. So it feels a little wrong. Or maybe it's just right. Wow. You guys will be blessed if I share this recipe. I'm telling you, it's so good. That totally just hit the spot. That was so good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day video. I was doing a lot of thinking about posting during this very interesting time. I mean, we're in a literal pandemic right now, and I know that's probably all you're hearing, but part of it kind of felt weird to just keep posting videos like normal and to be like doing hauls and making light in a situation that is really intense for a lot of people. But no, I was talking to you guys over on Instagram stories, and a lot of you were messaging me saying that having regular YouTube videos is a nice source of entertainment and light during these kind of dark times. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep posting like normal and or as normal as it can be. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm sending you all a lot of love right now, and at a very safe distance, a nice air hug. And we're gonna get through this together. Anyways, thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!